Sarah. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make super cute and easy DIY fidget toys. I will be showing you guys how to make a pop-it fidget, paper squishy, stress ball, and more. On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also would like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn your notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video. Stay safe. I'm super excited to show you guys how to make these, so now let's start. For the next fidget toy, you'll be needing a plastic bag, shampoo or clear glue, some add-ins of your choice. I'm using some raindrop Fimo slices, some silver glitter, and some pom-poms. What you're gonna do is open up your bag and start adding in some of your add-ins. So right here, I'm just gonna add in some of my silver glitter and these iridescent raindrop Fimo slices, and about a handful of these colorful pom-poms. Now, to make this a stress ball, you'll be taking your shampoo and pour it right into your bag. Put as much to cover up your pom-poms or any of the add-ins that you put in. I think that should be about good. And then just try to get all of your air out. Seal it very tightly. Look how cool this already looks. Then basically what you're gonna do is like twist the bag like this. And then secure the bag with tape, hot glue, or staple. I'm going to staple and tape mine. So right now I'm making sure that it's secure and sealed. And now I'm just going to staple it shut. Then what we're gonna do is just cut off the excess right after staple. Once you're done, you have officially your DIY super cute DNA ball. Now you can move around your pom-poms right here. And even when it's all fogged up, you can just let it sit and then all the air bubbles will rise. For the next fidget toy, you'll be needing a sheet of paper, some glue stick or tape, a few googly eyes, and some markers. First thing you're gonna do is decide what you're gonna make for your pop-it fidget toy. I'm making an avocado, so that's exactly what I'm going to trace on my paper. Once you're done, you will just cut out your shape. Next, you will take your two googly eyes and tape or glue them on to your object. Once you've finished, it is now time for my favorite part, which is decorating. So now you can get your markers, start decorating your pop-it fidget toy. Right over here, I drew my seed, and now I'm going to finish drawing the other avocado accessories. And once you're done decorating and having fun with your pop-it fidget, you are officially done, and here's your final result. Here's how mine looks. Now I can pop its googly eyes right here and shake it around so we can look in all the directions. It is so cute and fun to play with. I would highly recommend this fidget toy, and would definitely use this while I'm doing my homework. And make sure to comment down below some names for my cute little avocado. For the next fidget toy, you'll be needing 1 to 3 straws of any color, some rubber bands, and scissors. The first thing you will do is take your straws and line them up evenly. Then you will cut them into small pieces. Try to make the pieces the same size. Keep cutting until they are all in small pieces. Once you've finished, you will set aside your straws and take your 2 rubber bands. Then carefully cut them, just like this, and then you will tie them together. Once you're done, you will start putting your straws right onto your rubber bands until the rubber bands are filled and can't hold any more straws. And when you see the knot, just tuck it right through the straw. And once you are done, you will simply just tie the 2 ends together. You are officially done with your DIY fidget tangle. Now you can play with it all day long and basically fidget with it. It looks so cute and adorable and super fun to play with. It's also very stretchy. Last fidget toy, we will be making a DIY stress ball. You'll be needing some cornstarch and a balloon. First thing you want to do is make sure you have a safe and clean space to work this with, because this might get a little bit messy. And the first thing you want to do is take a funnel right here and put your balloon right over this funnel. Scoop your cornstarch and pour it right through the funnel into your balloon, little by little, trying not to spill anything. And kind of shake it like this so the cornstarch will fall right into your balloon. Keep doing this process until your balloon is filled with cornstarch. Once you're done filling your balloon, you will carefully take it off your funnel. And like I said earlier, this part might get a bit messy, so be careful. And then just tie your balloon. Once you've finished, you have your very own DIY stress ball. It is so cute and so insanely fun to play with. It massages your hands and is so nice when you feel stressed. I highly recommend the squishy, and I would definitely play with this thing every single day. Last fidget toy, we will be making a water snake, and for that, you will need a plastic bag, some add-ins such as like food coloring, glitter or sprinkles, and some tape and water. First thing you're gonna do is take your plastic bag and fill in a little bit more than 1/4 of water into your bag. I would say about like room temperature water. I filled in about this much. Then you will take your food coloring or paint and pour in 1 to 2 droplets of it. Oh my gosh, guys, look how satisfying that looks. And that will make your water snake nice and colorful. Then just like mix it around. Look how cool that looks. That is why I love this fidget toy. And of course, you can add all of your add-ins that you want. I will be adding some of this super cute pink glitter and these super cute Fimo slices. And last but not least, this like butterfly cake charm. Once you're done, you will very gently and carefully try to take out all of the air that is in your bag. Then seal your bag very quickly and very tightly. What you will do is start from the top, roll your bag down just like this, until you've reached the end and it can't come any farther, and then carefully tape these two together. Make sure it is very secure, and once you're done, you are complete with your water snake. Now you can go and play with it, and look how cute this looks. I love the purple color, and the add-ins are just so adorable. It is super holdable and very fun to play with. And if your bag is leaking, just make sure to seal it with some tape. And yeah guys, that was the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below which one was your favorite and which one you tried. I think my favorite was this super adorable Pop It Avocado Fidget. It's just so cute and very fun to play with. Also make sure to comment down below a name for it. Like, subscribe if you want to. Bye!